Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add digital products to your Ecwid store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you've not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You want to get started with logging into your account. If you've not already, if you don't have an account, create a new one, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding digital products to our store. It's very easy. What we're looking for is right here at the left side screen. In the left side screen you want to go ahead and open up this section right here that says catalog. Once you put your mouse on catalog, it's going to open up this new drop down menu with multiple options, and one of them is going to be called products. So you want to open up products. As you can see, after opening up products, you can take a look at all the products that you have in your store. These are example products that we have. What you want to do to get started adding digital products to your store to sell, you can go into click add new product option right here in the upper left corner. Clicking add new product is going to open up this main page where you can now get started selecting what kind of product you want to add. So basically guys, if it is a digital product, you'll just be able to add it with any option you like. Like your photos for the digital product or whatever, you can give it whatever name you want. It doesn't have to be a physical item, so as you can see, you can even manage your options and attributes and so on to manage your product. Once you're satisfied with all the info that you have input right here, you can click add new product, and this is now going to enable you to go ahead and get started with adding that digital product to your store. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.